Before watch our video, please subscribe.
Wearable gesture controller. Pero. Pero offers new improvements to all your digital devices. All devices will become easier and more enjoyable. Take control the way you want. Be more productive. Pero works seamlessly. Touch the side button. Turn your wrist to move the cursor. Tap the button to click. Touch the palm panel to right-click. Or you can use it for its gesture functions. Pero's gestures interacts with all of your devices. Straight, rotationally, and even circular. Even more complex movements. Pero software learns your natural gestures and patterns, so you can easily customize it yourself. Pero's band will always hug gently, yet firmly around your hand, thanks to the use of integral silicone. Simplify your desk with Pero. Desks are now optional. Up your workflow game, anywhere, anytime. Pero.
So this is an interesting one. It's a product called Hachi, and this is the Infinite M1. It's a projector on your tabletop, which is also a touchscreen, which is also an Android tablet, which is also some sort of a fitness device. It's many things in one, but we're gonna jump into it. I'll try to go over everything. I'll try to show you how it operates. This tabletop here is about to turn into a touchscreen. Anyway, packaging, Hachi. It's like there's some sort of a dog theme to it, a pet theme, a friend. It's one of those circumstances where you have this technology and you've created this product and you're trying to imagine where do you perceive the various applications being. We've seen projectors that can put your media on the wall, but once you add touch, then where do you envision the thing being? And I guess part of it for them is, where are you lacking a touchscreen interface? The kitchen one is interesting because your gadgets can get messy, right? If you had a tablet on the countertop, you could get food things on it, maybe? And then here, we turn this off. This is right up against what you just wipe the thing. You wipe your screen down. Quick wipe. See how that goes? Maybe that's the angle. They also put in a fitness app, which gives you a variety of different exercises, and it's not just a video. It will play the video on the projection of each exercise, but then it will also map your body. So when you do the exercise, it will tell you how effectively you did it based on the location of your hands in space, your legs, and then how well that matches up to the corresponding exercise. It will tell you like good, excellent, and there's just a bunch of them built in. I don't know, it could be like a push-up, could be a plank. There's a variety of different exercises that they have in there now, but this is mainly to showcase the capacity, the capability of the tech that's baked into it. These are just some of their pre-built applications, but there could be more. And if a developer wanted to take advantage of the sensors inside of this thing, they could be able to merge the projection and the camera for alternative inputs from strictly touch. I mean, there's a web browser on here. There's pretty much anything you could do on Android is on here. And if you want to just watch YouTube, you can do that. And the speakers, maybe we should blast what the speakers are.
iPhone 12, we've got some pricing leaks. In the leak, as you can tell, it's very gracefully forward.
And your touch interface works as expected.
We have pricing for the iPhone.
I would actually say the speaker is a surprising attribute because, I mean, it is a fairly big chassis there, so you may expect it, but sometimes on products like this, they could skimp on a speaker. The speaker's actually half decent. Well, you can hear it on
have
the
their
microphone.
device appear as being something different.
Listen, this is one of those things where it's a new concept. The actual application for use, sometimes you're not exactly immediately aware of it. You're like, okay, so I have a touch screen on a projector now. What am I going to do with that? And then you kind of discover things like this as you explore through the various apps and things that are available, where certain things translate really well, other things that are more designed for a smartphone display or a tablet, maybe less so, like say PUBG, for example, where you probably want to have an external controller to take advantage of the bigger display and then sit back a little bit. Then there's applications like this one where it's a touch keyboard, and now you have almost like a full-size keyboard, and the extent of what's available on Android in the form of music production apps, and then things kind of get interesting. I'm not saying you use this particular app for music production, but you see where I'm going here. Places where you would want a big touch interface. So anyways, they're working on some cool stuff. It's called the Hachi Infinite, and they want you to use it in your kitchen, possibly for fitness, or you can discover your own variety of ways in which something like this could be valuable to you.
Introducing SmartCube, a revolutionary Bluetooth-enabled locking system. SmartCube is the easiest and most affordable way to make everything you care about safe and secure. All controlled by your smartphone. With the Smart Armor app, the lock can detect when you're in range and unlock automatically, and then re-lock when you leave the secured area. You can monitor all your smart cubes through the app. Access can be shared, and usage for each electronic key that you issue can be easily monitored. There's no key that can be misplaced or end up in the wrong hands. And this isn't a sensor that simply informs you if there's a problem. This is a revolutionary smart locking system that everyone can use and everyone can afford. We all want to protect what's important to us, to protect our loved ones from harm, and keep our personal possessions safe and secure. SmartCube is made from durable material and has an encrypted wireless lock. SmartCube is fully tamper-proof, simple to install, and can be used in your home, your office, or even outside, wherever you need to make something secure or to ensure privacy. After a year of prototyping and testing, we now need your help to get SmartCube onto the market. By supporting this campaign, you can help us make everyone's lives a little safer and a little more secure. Thank you for your support.